This paper about fast and guaranteed control synthesis for aerial autonomous systems. We have another version. So this version is an invited paper for the AIAA conference because they saw my previous paper on fast and guaranteed control synthesis for nonlinear systems. So he invited me to talk about specific application on aerial robots, but it's along the same line. And in this line of work, what we were trying to do is to have like a guaranteed and fast method to synthesize motion, like control motions for autonomous systems. The problem there is the traditional method, they sort of work on very simple systems, like linear systems, sometimes those even discrete like system with discrete states. So those are sort of abstracted version of an actual system that we can see in the real world. But in that line of work, what we were looking at is like really complicated nonlinear, sometimes hybrid system. How would we have a guaranteed, fast and reliable way to make sure the agent can always, we can always find a policy for the agent and to satisfy high-level specifications. So this high-level specification could be quite complicated in terms of logical constraints or in terms of temporal constraints, but we come up with a way to automatically understand all those high-level complex requirements and find I would say, we find a novel way of abstracting the behavior of the nonlinear behavior and the complicated behaviors of the system, and like have an automatic algorithm to be able to plan the motion for the system. And we can always give you the proof that the actual behavior of the system will always satisfy high-level specifications. For example, if you want to say, I want to deploy 1,000 drones in this city, and I want every postal office in this city to be visited every hour to check whether there are packages for the drone to deliver. And I want the drones can always smartly find a shelter if the wind is too strong. So all these can be high-level requirements. And we have a way of finding the detailed motion for the drones so they together can satisfy this requirement. Yeah.